You know who I am.
Not really.
You do.
I don't.
We go on live all the time. My sister's Ollie.
I don't know who you are from a sack of marbles.
Her sister is Ollie.
So,
Aren't you the one
They
that?
are.
Aren't you the one that has the fake chains from Amazon?
no.
Is that you? That goes
No.
viral on Shade Room?
No.
Yeah.
That was the old Glock30 who entertained. I changed my whole image.
Did you? I'm proud of you. So you more
see,
like mature.
I got a slogan I go by. Glock30K on the track, you bitches and niggas ain't never coming back. But I got a second slogan I don't say like that. You women might have ass and titties, Glock30 show no pity. I show no pity towards niggas, I show no pity towards females. I don't like being played with on my top. Respect it.
I do show ass and titties though.
Look, I'm not slow, I'm just giving you some real straight up game. I don't care if you a bad bitch, you're gonna respect my name. I've been doing this shit longer than you. I made it on platforms you can't even make it to.
Ooh.
I'm a comedian. I do this shit. Reality and social media.
Sir, I definitely can make it there, sir.
Oh, yeah, go do it then.
She could.
Go do it.
Do
Let me
you see what
see.
she looks like?
Go do it. Yeah, you can just get with a rapper, show your titties and ass off. It don't work on me.
She doesn't even need to do that.
All right,
I'll
then.
go fuck on no one.
Okay, so learn your place.
Learn your place. Don't talk to her like that, Glock. Watch your fucking mouth.
You said you didn't know me, right? So how are you talking shit if you don't know me?
I don't know you, but you're playing with my top. They go for niggas.
What'd I say? I said I had your back if anyone was talking shit about you. I fucks with you.
My bad.
Glock30.
Ah, damn, no. I got a haircut appointment today.
Glock, you finna slap on me? Snap on me?
What the hell you mean?
That's what the comments are saying.
Mama, just go back to doing whatever you was doing. I'm just minding my business, being an entertainer. I'm not even entertaining.
Yeah, no. Will you entertain me? Will you write a song?
Oh, I'm
Will
sorry.
you freestyle about me? But it has to be nice, Glock.
What you doing for me?
I'm gonna literally freestyle back.
Nah.
What the fuck you mean, nah? Why not?
Smells good. Is it?
What's your talent?
Home cooked meals are always
What's my talent?
Yeah, except for looking beautiful or shaking ass or anything like that. What's your talent?
I'm a businesswoman. So like I'm making money.
She has a lot of money.
So like that's my talent. Like
Wait,
I'm
what?
really good with money. I'm really good at making money. Yeah.
That's
I'm
not
really
a
good
talent.
at
That's what
finance.
anybody can do.
Well, it's my talent. I'm just kidding. I have a lot of talents. I'm a scuba diver. So I do that. Do you scuba dive? I scuba dived in Belize, Honduras, all of that. So yeah, I have a lot of talents, Glock. I'm not talentless.
I'm a Gemini. I multitask. Whatever I put my mind to, I relish at it in a heartbeat.
Yeah. And you perfect that shit, don't you, Glock?
Quickly.
Period. And that's why I fucked with you. I'm rolling a blunt. What the fuck you doing? I don't know.
So Glock, what's your talent?
Glock, what's your talent? Because you're not rapping for me. You're not.
I rap. I don't sing. I play the guitar. I do rock and roll. I play golf, soccer. I do it all. Even scuba dive. I just put my mind to it. Motivational.
So you're
speaker,
licensed
all
in
that
scuba
shit.
diving.
Preacher, all that.
So you're licensed in scuba diving. So if I throw you in the water with the fucking big ass oxygen tank, you got it. You know what to do every 10 feet.
Come back up for air.
No, you have an oxygen tank.
Pump it. You give yourself that.
No, you just breathe. But like whenever every 10 feet, you gotta like take your nose and just like breathe out so that your ears pop. So like your ears don't like, whatever.
Yeah, I don't know nothing about scuba diving.
See,
I
then
can
that's
say,
not your fucking talent.
My
you see,
talent
but
is that I can
you
skydive.
know what's weird though? I can say something stupid and people just get like an amusement out of it. I noticed that.
Yeah. Well, mine's real. My talent's real. So whenever you see me on the shade room for scuba diving, just know I fucking made it, Glock.
No, fuck that. My talent is skydiving.
Sis,
I'm not
who
gonna
the
lie. I'm
fuck
looking at your
skydiving?
profile picture.
Ain't no
You ain't bad at
way.
all. I give you that one.
You never went
Ain't no
skydiving, Savannah?
way. Hell
What,
no.
girl? I'm
Like
going. I'm going skydiving. Over the
Oh, do you like
palm
I want
in
to do the
Dubai.
at
the
the end of
eye
the
fly.
day,
I want to do like the eye fly or whatever, the indoor
Yeah.
skydiving.
No, you should. You should do it over the palm in Dubai with me.
You're going to Dubai.
Yeah. Next year though. Next summer.
Who are you going with?
I was gonna go alone.
Don't go alone.
I go
I
everywhere by
checked
myself.
out your profile picture. You ain't bad, but
Who?
you
Oh I'm not bad or I'm not bad. Like what
Like
context
she's
are you
not.
saying
Yeah.
it in?
Like, are you saying it like she's cute or like no, she's
you a
not a bad
bad
bitch?
bitch. That's what I'm saying. You
Oh,
ain't bad.
thank you. I appreciate it, God.
Yeah, but
I don't look like I have a talent. Is that what you're about to say?
I don't
Because
know what the hell your talent is.
I
But
just told you scuba diving.
yeah, but at the end of the day, I know you a bad bitch, but I normally try to shoot my shot, but I don't want to.
Why not?
You have scars.
One, I don't like bad bitches.
That's
Two,
no. I feel you. I don't. I feel
two,
you. I like a
y'all too
medium ugly.
bougie. And
That's how I
three,
feel you.
Same, Savannah.
I like a medium ugly, and
Same.
I'm not even gonna be mad at you for that, Glock. I really can't, cause I like a medium ugly too, bro.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want no. Yeah, I feel you. Like, can't even be mad at you. Like, who the fuck wants some like blue check, like 10 out of 10, like thinks he looks better than me as a motherfucker? Like, boy,
Mm-mm. I wouldn't want that. That's crazy. Oh yeah, I think I gotta add her back. Glock, turn your camera off.
yes,
Glock,
I'm single.
Glock, turn your camera off so I can add people back. So it doesn't kick you. Turn your camera off so it doesn't kick you. Alright.
I don't have a girl. I don't.
I'm about to add her back. Who you want me to add? Glock? Glock, you blocked my friend? Oh my god, Glock. He's such a fucking Glock. Let me add him back. Oh, hold on, y'all.
No, I didn't.
Glock, how you gotta do that everyone already, bro?
I didn't block nobody.
Bro, Glock, some girl in the comments said that she was your girlfriend.
I don't have no girl.
Glock, why you block my friend?
I didn't block her. I will
Let me
show the
see.
receipts. I'm one
Okay,
nigga that got receipts on everything.
go to your block list.
Let's see.
No, type in a thing. THA.
She's not here.
Go to your search button, bro.
She's not here. I would have seen it.
See, you be lying. I don't like that.
You see that? Look. Pay attention. She's not in. Because it would have popped up. Yeah. I'm at 1,000. Like always. Right now.
All right, now go to her page and click.
Why the fuck you kick me?
I didn't block you.
Unhide her from your story.
You blocked me?
I
Yeah,
didn't.
he hid you from his story.
Why?
I didn't block you. No, you was never
You
blocked.
did.
If you believe people in the comments,
No,
say,
I got kicked, so why?
you wasn't blocked.
Glock, go to her page right now.
Did you block me because I'm a bad bitch and you're scared? Like you're just,
Glock's scared of
Trust
it.
me.
Listen, he ain't
like
never
you're
had sex
just
in his life. He's
nervous.
scared.
Are you nervous? Did I make you
What am
nervous?
I nervous about? I'm just worried about just being an entertainer, being a shit.
So you don't have to block me, Glock. What
Glock,
if I was your fan?
I
Glock,
didn't
why you
block
blocking
you.
her right now? Why you blocking her right now, bro?
You said who?
Turn your other phone off right now.
It just died.
Let me see.
Oh wait, no, it's still on, but I need to put it on.
Me and
What's up?
Glock just don't like hoes.
What? She's not a hoe.
Who's
That's
a
just what it
hoe?
is. We don't like hoes.
She's
Who's a
not a
hoe?
hoe.
I'm trying to feel that meat. I don't want to feel no plastic. Like I would go to
There's no
Kroger.
plastic. I mean, my titties are plastic.
I'd use a Kroger bag for my dick if I wanted to feel plastic. You dig what I'm saying?
Or
Why
like
you
a
being
condom.
What?
Or like a condom. It's like latex, same thing.
Nah, that's something weird. That's not like how your shit.
You good? Oh, he's gone.
His penis is probably that big.
Literally. I'm confused as to who said anyone wanted to fuck Wyezy. Where'd that come from?
Glock? Nobody wants to fuck Wyezy. Listen, Glock, why are
Right.
you being mean to my sister?
I'm not being mean. I never blocked her or nothing.
So go to her page right now.
This,
No,
right?
that's not her page.
No.
Yeah, go to that.
It's not even freaking hidden.
Yeah, you just unhid it.
I didn't. I just don't know why I had to go to the page.
Glock, you know what
I
you did.
showed you the receipts at first.
Because
You're gonna overeat, or because
I just can't.
like they cook it all at once and you're bougie.
No, I can't eat them because like I eat like little proportions out of the day. So I eat
Glock,
like 6 meals where they're little.
Glock, they said
Tick
everybody who talks about Savannah is getting kicked